Hello guys, hope you're fine. Welcome to Advertising Eagle channel again. So in this video we will learn how to upload APlusContent to the Seller Central. Okay, so first of all we have to go to from here advertising and then APlusContent manager, then open a new tab here. So there is no any APlusContent yet. If there was any APlusContent which uploaded before, then it was showing here. Okay, so start creating APlusContent from the scratch. We will upload basic APlusContent because a premium APlusContent need own criteria like 7 APlusContent and brand story, like that, or 12 basic APlusContent already uploaded in the Seller Central and brand story, etc. So we will go on the moment for the moment on basic APlusContent. Create basic. Here we will give a name to the APlusContent. It will represent that which product APlusContent is this. Okay, so here we will write steamer. The product name is steamer. Okay, we can check from here in the inventory management. Go to manage inventory and check from here shower steamer. So we can put the product name shower steamer. Add module. So here are multiple modules are showing. Here all the sellers or service provider confused that which module do I select. If you see, our module is something like, let me show you. Just check our module is like a big banner, a slide type, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 banners. So we will upload like a big banner, like a slide, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. What we can do, we can open a slide, a banner, and can check its size, 970 by 600. Okay, so here its size. This one size is not I means comparing with the one. So this one module, it represent 5 comparison products, like you can see 1 2 3 4. So this is not for ours. This one will show 4 small cards with text, so this one is not for our model. Same like that, this one is not. If you want to test, then you can check, click on it, and just you wanted to check that what size is giving this one model. Add background image. So again you can see 970 by 300. It is giving us 970 by 300, but our banner is 970 by 600. You can check from here. Okay, so we are going to delete this one and add next module. This one is also small. You can see from the first side, but you can test this what size it is asking for. This one is our recommended size. This one will show like that, product and text, like that, product and text, something like that. It is also showing you a sample. This one will show 3 products and text, like that. So we don't need any text, as our module have, our each banner have their own text. If we select on this one module, you can see now 970 by 600. So let's upload from here the first banner, upload, and design, where I put the keep the design here, content design 3 from here. So first one is this one banner, first one banner, upload. Here we can put the main keyword of the product. Okay, so So add, here you can add that take keywords to, I mean high search volume keyword for SEO purpose. So you can put I am temporarily avoiding it to short the video, like in but you can put. So next one, next banner, upload, second banner, second banner, here I paste again. You can put here the keywords, okay, the high search volume and relevant keywords for SEO purpose. Add, third one, add module, and third, upload from here. So here we will upload all the banners. uh, this one again, the fourth one, fourth one, next, fifth one, six, and the last one banner is seventh one banner. Okay, upload from here, seventh banner. So now we uploaded all the banners. How it will look like, you can check from the preview. The mobile option will show you like this, and desktop will show you like this, you can see from here. Okay, so next, apply the essence. From apply the essence, we can take the essence and put here one essence. So oh, not eligible, because I will check the issue, but you can upload from here and apply from here. Here you will see a check mark, so click on the check mark and apply content. Again, next SN search here and click on it and check mark and apply again. So like that you will upload, and at the end, review and submit. um, Review and submit, click on review and submit. So within 2 to 3 days, Amazon will approve. If there is any if there is no any issue in the content, then Amazon will approve your A plus content. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you, take care.